Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we have another interesting math Olympiad question where the question is if AB plus C is equal to 2020 and A plus BC is equal to 2021, find the value of A, B and C. Here the interesting thing about this question is there are three variables, that is A, B and C, but we have only two equations. So let us find the solution. Here we can see the equation AB plus C is equal to 2020. Let us consider this as equation number 1. And the second equation is A plus BC is equal to 2021. Let us consider this is equation number 2. As we can see, the difference between these two equations is only 1. Now we can write this as A plus BC minus AB plus C is equal to 2021 minus 2020. So let us write this as A plus BC minus AB minus C is equal to 2021 minus 2020, that is 1. We can rearrange this equation as here A and minus AB is there. So I can write it as A minus AB plus BC minus C is equal to 1. From these two expression we can take A as common, then we can write it as 1 minus B plus from these two expression I'll take C as common and then we can write this as B minus 1 is equal to 1. Now as we can observe here the expression is 1 minus B and here the expression is B minus 1. Let us take minus 1 common from this expression, then we can write this as A whole multiply with 1 minus B and minus 1 taking common from here we can write it as minus C and this expression will become 1 minus B is equal to 1. Now from these two expressions we can take 1 minus B as common, then we can write it as 1 minus B whole multiply with A minus C is equal to 1. Now from this multiplication we can see that there are two expressions whose multiplication is 1. So this value 1 we can obtain by either multiplying 1 with 1 or multiplying minus 1 with minus 1. So from these two values we can write the equation as, so first condition is 1 minus B is equal to 1 and A minus C is equal to 1, and the second condition is 1 minus B is equal to minus 1 and A minus C is equal to minus 1. Let us solve these two conditions and find the value of A, B and C. From this equation 1 minus B is equal to 1, then we can write this as B equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So now the value of B is equal to 0. As we know, the equations given above are AB plus C is equal to 2020 and A plus BC is equal to 2021. Now replace the value of B, that is 0, in this equation. When you put the value of B is 0, then this expression will become 0 and the value of C is equal to 2020. Again, when we put the value of B as 0 in this equation, then this expression will become 0 and we will find the value of A is equal to 2020. 21. Hence, this is one solution. Let us solve the second condition. As we can see, the value of 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. From here, we can find the value of b is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Hence, the value of b is equal to 2. And the original equations are ab plus c is equal to 20, 20 and a plus bc is equal to 20, 21. And as we know the value of b is 2, then let us replace the value of b here in this equation. Then this expression will be 2 into a, that is 2a. And similarly, this will become a plus 2 into c, that is 2c. Now we have two variables and two equations to solve. Let us multiply this equation with 2. We can write this equation as 2a into 2, that is 4a, plus 2 into c, that is 2c, is equal to 20, 20 into 2, that is 40, 40. And the next equation is a plus 2c is equal to 20, 21. Let us subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. Then we can write this as 4a minus a, that is 3a, plus 2c minus 2c. This will cancel out. 4040 minus 2021, that is 2019. Now we can find the value of a is equal to 2019 divided by 3 is equal to 673. We can find the value of c from this equation by putting the value of a 673 from here. Then we can write this equation as 673 minus c is equal to minus 1. And we can write as c is equal to 673 plus 1, that is 674. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.